Hello, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. This video tutorial accompanies the instructions for my sewing pattern, the Corcoran Crossbody Bag. This pattern is available for purchase at the website linked below. In this final video in this series, I will walk you through creating the adjustable strap. The crossbody strap is made in exactly the same way as the strap for my Tremont crossbody bag. And so the video footage for this instructional video is taken from my Tremont bag video series. Locate your two strap pieces. Place the ends of the strap pieces right sides together and perpendicular to each other. We will be joining them on the bias. I find it helpful to use my cutting mat for this and use the 45-degree angle to help me mark the stitching lines. With my ruler and my pen, I mark my 45-degree angle, and then I'm ready to sew the two strap pieces together. Pin or clip and stitch along the line. Trim the excess seam allowances even with the rest of the strap, and then press the seam allowance open. Center the woven interfacing on the wrong side of the strap, overlapping the segment slightly. There should be a 1/2 inch frame of fabric without interfacing all the way around. Fuse the interfacing. Place a second layer of woven interfacing directly over the first and fuse as before. Fold over and press 1/2 inch edges on all 4 sides of the strap. Fold the strap in half, matching the long folded edges. Pin or clip. All the raw edges are now tucked inward. Using a 1/8 inch seam allowance, top stitch on all 4 sides. Locate your slide hardware, swivel hooks, rivets, and pen. Pass one end of the strap through the right side of the slide, over the center bar of the slide, and then through the left side of the slide. Turn the strap over. Pin or clip the finished edge to the strap. At this point, you can install a rivet, as I am, or sew along the finished edge through all layers of the strap, securing the slide hardware in place. To install a rivet, use your pen to mark the insertion point centered about a 1/2 to 3/4 inch from the end of the strap. Insert the remaining end of the strap into one swivel hook. Next, pass the same end of the strap through the slide, first through the right side and then through the left. Adjust the strap length using the slide. Insert the remaining end of the strap into the second swivel hook. Fold 1 inch of the strap end over the swivel hook ring and pin or clip in place. Either sew or install a second rivet to secure the swivel hook to the strap. Again, draw the insertion point for the rivet and then install according to manufacturer's instructions. The insertion point should be centered approximately a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch from the end of the strap. Your crossbody strap is finished and ready to clip to the D-rings on the gussets of your bag. I hope you found this video tutorial series helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!